Hello everyone, Jackie here from Secrets Wigs. If you are here because you found us on the internet, hello, it is so nice to meet you. If you are one of our clients, hello, it is so good to see you again. My hairs are out of control today. That's because they need to be washed. A question we get asked all the time here at the shop is, can I wash my hairs? And by hairs, I don't mean the bio hair on your head, I mean the hairs that you purchase from here. And the answer is, yes, wash your hair. It's really important to wash your hairs no matter what kind of fiber it is. So whether it's a synthetic fiber, a blend, or human hair fiber, you have to wash your hairs. Now my boss, AKA the owner, AKA the other half of Hidden Secrets, AKA my mom, will tell you to wash your hairs every 6 to 8 wears. I like to say 7 wears and wash. At the end of the day, if you're an everyday wig wearer, you wash it once a week. On that note, if you wear human hair, this is your guide to washing your human hair fiber wigs at home. Let's get into it. Starting by showing you the inside of the cap, here's the nape of the neck. We're going to do a lot of prep work in this area, so keep that in mind. Here's the lace. Avoid the lace. It is very delicate. By holding on to the nape of the neck and taking your wide tooth comb, we are going to start by brushing out any snarls. The second you hit a snarl with your wide tooth comb, release the comb. We will get back to those snarls, but in the meantime, just work through the root. Once the root has been worked through, you're going to go ahead and start on the ends. Any of those snarls that you released with the comb, this is when you're going to get them out. And be gentle, be mindful of how hard you are combing through your hairs. This comb out process does take some time, so we went ahead and sped up the video. The reason it takes time is because being gentle with combing your hair will result in less friction. Less friction equals less fuzzies on the fiber. Now it's time to pick a water temperature. We always say do lukewarm on the side of cool. Now I'm going to ball up my fist and stick it right inside the wig cap, avoiding the lace. I'm going to say this a lot, but it's really, really important you avoid that delicate lace as much as you can. From here, I'm just going to let the water run over top of the fibers and just kind of run into the fibers, and that is how I'm going to saturate the hair. I don't want to flip it all around. I don't want to tangle it all up. I just spent all that time detangling it, so I'm just very gently letting the water just run over top of the fibers. From here, I'm going to take a quarter size amount of manufactured recommended shampoo, rub it in between my two hands, get a nice lather going, and I'm going to start at the ends and work my way up to the root. I would like to add real quick in here is that, just a reminder, this is a human hair fiber wig that we're washing. You cannot leave this to just soak in water. It will damage it. It will ruin it, oftentimes beyond repair. A synthetic wig, absolutely throw it in your sink and go do a chore, but we can't do that with a human hair wig. Go ahead and flip your wig inside out, and we're going to wash the inside of the cap. We're going to take a dime size amount of the manufactured recommended shampoo, which we do sell here at Hidden Secrets, and we're going to very gently wash the cap and wash the lace. This is where all your makeup buildup is going to be. This is where the oils from your scalp or your hair is going to build up. If you sweat a lot, it is very important that you wash this part of your wig. This is for hygiene purposes at this point, okay? But also to get that makeup and everything off as well. You're really going to want to give that a very good lather and get that nice and clean for when it's back on your head. From here, we're just going to rinse this out. We're going to start at the inside of the cap and rinse out, and then we're going to flip it over, put our fist back into the wig cap, avoiding the lace again, and we're going to let the water just kind of fall over top, and we are going to rinse, okay? This is going to take a minute, so we went ahead and sped up the video. But once you think you have it rinsed, go ahead and rinse it again, because if there's product buildup inside the wig, once it dries, it's going to get real gummy and not look natural. This next step is very important. This is the conditioning process. So we're going to start with a quarter size amount of the manufacturer recommended conditioner, which we do sell here at Hidden Secrets. We are going to focus on the ends. We are not going to put conditioner at the root of this wig. This particular wig is hand-tied, and putting conditioner on the cap of a hand-tied wig will loosen those knots and cause it to shed. So an easy way to avoid unnecessary shedding is to focus that conditioner on the ends. Before you rinse out the conditioner, grab your wide tooth comb and comb very gently through the hairs with the conditioner on it. This will help distribute the conditioner throughout all of the fibers. As an extra step in the conditioning process, you may want to do a deep condition. A deep condition will help keep those fibers even softer and healthier longer. So go ahead and just, with the conditioner on the fiber still, wrap it up into itself and just let it sit in the sink. Go ahead and do a chore or something while your hair is deep conditioning. And then when you're done with your chore, come back to it and it's time to rinse. Again, I'm going to use lukewarm water, but closer to cool. Even more closer to cool than when we washed it. And I am going to rinse this out. Again, though, I'm just going to let the water run through it. I'm not going to tangle the hair up and flip and flop it all around. And as I am rinsing this, I am gently squeezing the fibers to encourage that product to release from the hair. You want to make sure that you really rinse your wigs out good. Otherwise, that leftover product will leave your wig looking unnatural. Go ahead and just gently squeeze out any extra water that might be held within the fibers. When drying your wigs, we are always going to suggest air drying. Less heat is less damage, and that is going to help with the longevity of your wig. So lay your hair on a towel, wrap up the ends if you need to, and go ahead and just burrito that hair right up. From here, you're just going to very gently, again, gentle, squeeze out any more extra moisture that might be in the fibers. To set you up for success for the air drying process, we highly suggest you get a suction stand. We sell these here at Hidden Secret. If you have purchased your hairs from us, you know that we do give one free styrofoam head to our clients. So take your styrofoam head and place that on that suction stand and go ahead and put your wig over top of the suction stand. You're going to want to put the lace really down low on the forehead of the styrofoam head and just pull it all the way back. Again, being very careful not to bend or wrinkle that lace at all. You still want to be very gentle of that lace. Go ahead and pull and adjust using the fibers and not the lace. Don't use the lace to adjust where that wig is going to sit on the styrofoam head. For our final step, you're going to place your fingers on top of the lace to make sure that the comb does not snag the lace while you comb the fibers back. Combing the fibers back and having it dry in that back position is going to help ensure that your hairs don't constantly fall in your face. If you're an everyday wig wearer, you know that the fringe and the areas around your face tend to lean forward into your face. This is a way to help prevent that. I'm going to go through with the comb and I'm going to define the part. I do this just with the edge of the comb and my fingers, and I go through and I very loosely and gently use my fingertips to push up at where the part is, and I give it like a subtle shake. This is going to help promote just a little bit of volume in that part area, and so it's not just flat and stuck to your head. From here, I'm going to go through and comb out the rest of the hair just to ensure there's no knots or snarls, and I'm going to pinch and pull and shake just right up at the crown area just to, again, encourage volume. These little steps that we do by the part and by the crown, they really encourage a natural look once the hair is dry. If this seems like something you don't want to do, give us a call. We will do it for you. This is a service that we offer to our clients. And here's the final look, of course, with a little bit of styling. It does not air dry like this. It does air dry with a little bit of a wave pattern to it. And then we go through and we style the wigs for our clients. If you would like to see how to style hair, please comment below and let us know. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that was helpful for you and can help you at home to wash and maintain and really take care of your human hair wigs. If you have any questions at all, please leave a comment below, and please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We are here to help you with any questions you might have, any little tips and tricks, and we would love for you, if you haven't yet, to come visit us here at the shop. If you would like to book your look, give us a call at 616-546-9444. Thank you for watching.